Hello, IK here. Welcome to lesson Gemini 2.5 Thinking. Okay, it is reclam. It is how Google make promotion. Gemini version 2.5 Think, and because of that, I include built in. I try built in that bot with that model 2.5. And here it is. I ask here in my uh, user interface, React, I ask, uh, what is better for my business as author and my buyers to write entire book, e-commerce by React, Redux, Express, MySQL, generative AI, or separate books for every subtitle, e-commerce, React, Redux, Express, MySQL, generative AI, and why? Response. Uh, as an author, you're considering the best way to approach education your readers about building an e-commerce site using React. Redux, Express, MySQL, and Gen AI. Here is a breakdown of two options and their potential benefits to help you decide it. Option one, comprehensive e-commerce book covering all technology. Pros. Uh, Offers a holistic view of the entire stack, demonstrating how each technology works together, etc., etc. Cons can be overwhelming by beginners, may require significant time commitment from readers, difficult to update individually if one technology changes rapidly. Option two, separate books dedicated to each technology, React, Redux, etc. Pro allow for more in-depth coverage of each technology, caters to readers, etc., etc. I don't see nothing new, what I didn't see, what I don't have in other large language model. And I discuss about artificial intelligence, maybe maybe here in this form on my e-commerce. And the conclusion, resume is uh, artificial intelligence, of course, don't thinking. And why why Google promote and other promote a new version of artificial intelligence, Gemini 2.5, that thinking, that it is thinking. A reason is, look at now, uh, of course, the Gemini 2.5 don't thinking, but only Gemini 0.25 can have a bigger, bigger image, bigger picture in discussion with us. Can have memorize more words than before, and a name for it is Windows context. Gemini 2.5, like other other models, go up and up and up more and more Windows content. And that Windows content, for example, now for Gemini 2.5 uh, is 1 million token, 1 million token, and it is about 715,000 words. Before was 100, 100 125,000 words. That window uh, context context means how in our discussion with Gemini 2.1 how many history remember Gemini 2.5 and more than ever until now, and because of that uh, he can impress us uh, with focus what have big contest, big window contest, uh, like 750 words. It is about it is book about 2,000 pages, and it is uh, practically focus. With focus, he can use from history something he can thinking in advance, and not only be reactive, but can be proactive, can begin some new idea basic on history, bigger history, give him a wider possibility for thinking, for communication. And impression is that Gemini 2.5 think. Here is a reason uh, for Gemini point. It is this next generation Gemini Flash, superior speed, multimodal, can work with more model, not one only, and 1 million token context window, 1 million token. It is 750,000 a word. A word. We see here that context window, it is term now. Uh, Today, what I first time listening, uh, but and I see token. One token is about 0.75 0.75 word. Of course, but every token is same. Take part, and 1 million token in that context window. For me, it is parallel with the packages, switches, package in communication through internet network, data flow in packages, and because of that, internet is possible. And contrary, before packages, we have, for example, every connection. Take all, for example, every connection, take one pair of copper, 1 million kilometers connection can be, and point A to point B, people spoke through pair of copper, and all other waiting for that pair. But now, thanks to package switching, we have immediately, we can spoke about immediately transformation all in the world, immediately communicate with what they want. Not waiting list. Okay, 1 million token. I'm going here it is, and I'm now in. Look at it. It is Google Cloud where you can take a generative AI key, and 3 months you have a free trial, and you can experiment with generative AI. Concretely Gemini, but uh, with the Vertex AI, what is it is agents agent of here it is agent of Google here, Google Cloud. Vertex AI as agent can connect me, I can use by Vertex, can use ChatGPT and other, but bills I paying to Google paying for that to Google. Yeah. Okay, here it is interesting that build the next generation. Okay, also here uh, build the next generation agentic applications. Agentic, first time I see that terms, agentic, it's coming from agent, agentic, agent. I say in my application of generative AI, it is bot, it is in applications, generative AI application. I have user interface in React, and from that prompt go to Express, and Express is agent. Express is my agent in my application, and Express organize API. In that API, calling some model, what can do, what can does what I ask. It is model or service. We can call it service, but agent provide API service, and agent also, if it is needed, give add some text, some instructions to prompt, user's prompt. And all that give to agent Express, give some intelligent intelligent organization. Yes, agent organize. It is excellent for organization. He organize, but user ask agent, agent activate service, and the result service give result to agent, and agent that result give the user interface back to user. See here. Here it is a prompt, user prompt. Go to Express. It is request to Express agent. Agent organize API, but we program it. Organize API and organize model service. Model is a service, and that model execute what we that prompt, and turn result coming to agent Express, and the agent Express response that result here. Here is a response that responded. A user agent service model agent, user. It is data flow. It is data flow. And now, why agentic? Agentic application. Before it was agent, now agentic application. Agent is man. For example, in real estate, agent, and in every businesses there is a agent, somebody in the middleware, somebody between, and it is so directly connected. Agent in real estate, agent here in terminology of uh, generative AI. And because of that, agentic is adjective. Agent is noun. Agentic is adjective, what describe properties of some part of generative AI application. Agentic. Agentic means like man, like agent. And agentic is very, very under quote, also intelligent, not only model. Why agentic intelligence? When we look at in Express, we see API, we see, because we manual coding it, for me, it coding for us artificial intelligence, uh, but Vertex, here you see Vertex is agentic. Express is agentic, but Vertex is more agentic because we connect our user interface directly to Vertex. And we nothing coding, nothing. There is no manual coding. Vertex understand all from our user, from our prompt, and it is very, very intelligent, agentic. That Vertex behavior of Vertex is as a man, as a real man agent middleware, because Vertex know which model to use. Vertex know logic if we need some logic here. It is a middleware, and if our prompt need some logic, some intervention, some adding text, it would be happen in Vertex would be organize it. Vertex would be organize it, and because of that, Vertex is agentic, is as like man. And brand names make promotion of generative AI with word thinking, understand. And all that can confuse people. Okay, thinking, understand. No, Gemini 2.5 don't understand, don't thinking. It is only promotional terms, uh, but uh, but it is not true. But it can involve confusion in people who don't interested deep in artificial intelligence, who is not interested in technical background of artificial intelligence, and can think, okay, artificial intelligence beginning thinking, beginning understanding. No, nothing like it. but I said more wind of contest, more memory for more token, for more word, give possibility generative AI models to be not only reactive, what means answer on question or comment some statement, but also can said something in advance, can be proactive and agentic. I said agentic. I said to artificial agentic equal proactive, and why we don't say proactive? We say it is not only reactive, but it is agentic. Uh, because agentic is wider. It is in one part equal proactive, but wider it is wider terms. Agentic is like man. Agentic means as man, like man. And again, understand, thinking, proactive, agentic, it is all as generative AI or Gemini 2.5 model is as man. Uh, almost, for example, is as understand, is as thinking, because we said, and also they use only to said more intelligent. Okay, more intelligent, but something say is intelligent. It's not intelligent. It's uh, artificial intelligence. Okay, we can say artificial proactive, artificial thinking, uh, and there is must not be confusion. Artificial intelligence is all adjective. What we give that is artificial. Here is user interface. Here is a request to endpoint to express to API Gemini 5. And in JSON format, send prompt, and it go to that here it is, API Gemini, look at post. I spoke about that. We don't post it in database, a new record, or like in database or somewhere. But post here is a method what is not visible because don't go by web address. Get would be visible in web address. Post not visible in web address. Okay, it is prompt. Look at, we take variable prompt, and here it is. Look at what agent add this part. It is our prompt, user prompt, but this is agent add to prompt, and we have a new prompt. And we take it in this variable, but this is from agent. Agent give this, of course, all we manually programming. But if we work with Vertex, vertex would be, all that would be behind scene. And what here agent said, from the following request as HTML for a product recommendation section on an e-commerce site, use, I said, it is right artificial and can be some confused text, but I said as you in a situation of recommendations, I also want here formatting in HTML. Use readable HTML structure, H1 title, P4 summary, etc. Make it schemable and clear for shoppers. Okay, and response is in HTML, is formatted in structure of HTML. Here we declare model, and model here is look at. For that model, it is new last model, I must install last. Here is a packages on last version of generative AI. Look at it is generative AI. SDK of SDK for last version of generative AI, and in that last version, my generative AI key in trial period, there is can use it can use this Gemini Flash X. Okay. Okay. But Gen I is always the same. It is declared here, Gen I. Here it is, Gen I. Here it declared model, but in this generative AI and the get generative model is not for this Gemini 2.5, and because of that we declare a new model. This is Gemini 2. It is the same. Now I look at it as same model. It is not a model Gemini 2.5. Look at here. And it created artificial intelligence, I saw now. But I must go in Cloud, Google Cloud, and see what my generative AI can access, which models. And can I make it write 5? And now refresh. Again, reset server, and get to see, here it is, to see does it refresh. Refresh, and now this thinking. Okay, here it is. Same text. Ask error. Error. And it means that same model like for other bot what I created until now. It is flash X. Here it is. Here it is, you see. And it is model. And down model again. I don't need it because I have it up. Okay, I regulate it and must go to see in Google Cloud, does my generative AI key have access to 2.5? And something else, it is fourth bot, fourth agentic, fourth agentic applications. User interface, communicate with Express, Express activate service model, artificial intelligence, and the response of that model go to Express, Express response to user interface. All communicate with it. But I use two agentic applications. It is recommendations and this one, recommendation, and this one, Gen 2.5 thinking. What we now see, it is not Gemini 2.5. I don't need, and I never use applications like that. Never use big data. We never use data of models, content of models. And because it must be paid, it must be paid for every request of users in my site. And it can be very, very expensive because user communicate with artificial intelligence model, context, data, massive content. Because in e-commerce, I need only artificial for my data, for my content in my database. And until now, I have it for comments and for improve description, where my description in articles improve artificial intelligence. And comments, all comments moderate, comments in my e-commerce comments, moderate artificial intelligence. It is excellent. So I recorded. It is only this recommendation and this is thinking. It is only demonstration how we can connect to massive data, but we never use it because massive data is free for all people. ChatGPT can ask what they want, and coming in e-commerce and use artificial intelligence only about data in e-commerce. I repeat, as improved description for now, and comments moderator. But of course, there is a lot of possibility, and I will see how many include in this my experiment. There is assistant, there is a complete analytics and with graphs, etc. Thank you for watching this video.